Hello guys, today we're gonna try Bulls One sticker and tar remover. First test, we're gonna removing this sticker. They have this head design that can be helpful at sticker removal, but don't use it on the paint. Because the instruction is Korean, so I'm confused. Should I wipe it with wet towel or dry towel? Let's try both. Okay, it's not working using dry towel. There you go. It works using wet towel. Now we're gonna try to removing this tar. This is located on the rear bumper. This is a dry microfiber towel. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.